Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about what's going on with the cryptocurrency market. Right now, the cryptocurrency market is down and it is tremendously down. We see here that it says $2.08 trillion that is in the global crypto market cap. We were just sitting at 2.30 trillion and it went all the way down to 2.08. What is happening in the world right now? This is a 6% decrease over the last day. So, as you all know, today is January the 5th and it is 5:34 p.m. What is going on? Okay, went back up a little bit as I refreshed it, but it is still a dramatic decrease. Last time it decreased, and we thought everything was, last time we had a flash crash, the global crypto market went down to 2.18 trillion. So this is way less than that, okay? So Bitcoin is literally at $43,000. Ethereum is at $3,500. Solana is at 154. What is going on in the world? A lot of people are saying that the global crypto market and also the stock exchange is due for a burst, due for a bubble burst, that is. So that means that, over the past few years or few decades, everything has been trending upwards. But now it is time to correct itself. That in 2020, when we had that in March, when we had that crash, that was just like the beginning of the bubble being burst. So I do believe that now they call it the everything bubble, and that's like they're saying that that's gonna burst, right? And all the money is gonna go down and whatnot and so forth. What is the everything bubble? It says, because these bonds serve as the foundation of our current financial situation, when they are in a bubble, it means that all risk assets, truly everything, are in a bubble. Hence our title, the everything bubble. Okay, so that is from the everythingbubble.com. Okay. What is... Okay, it says not secure. Yeah. So everything bubble crash. That means that literally every stock, every cryptocurrency will crash. Okay. Maybe because I'm on. Let me look at pictures of the everything bubble to see what we can find. Because a lot of people are saying that it's due for a crash. And I also do think that it will be earlier this year. I'm really thinking that it's starting now, that everything is crashing now. Obviously it is, but like for real, we thought that flash crash back in December was the everything bubble crash, but it was not. Now I feel like it's the time. I did a prediction on this in November, and I predicted that Capricorn season is December to January, like to the middle of January. So I think Capricorn season ends January the 20th or the 19th, one of those days. But I predicted that around that time the everything bubble will basically blow. So it's going to either start or it's going to be in the middle of it then. So that's just what I think. Obviously, we don't really know what's going to happen for sure. But just be prepared. Make sure that you have all of your assets protected. Make sure that you, if you have a cold wallet, make sure that you are storing your cryptocurrencies on your cold wallet. Make sure that, all of your finances are protected. All of your assets are protected. I know a lot of people right now definitely are selling, and that means that, obviously they're preparing for the crash or they're making the crash happen or whatever. But do what you feel is necessary to help your situation or, whatever. A lot of people are still holding. A lot of people are transferring their coins to one wallet or whatever, multiple, or, things like that. So whatever you have to do to prepare, please prepare for this market crash. Okay? Let's look at a chart. All right. And it's from 1921 until 2018. It says this is how the everything bubble will end. Let's see what this is talking about. I don't want to see a picture of a bubble. I want to see a chart. They were just talking about the major crashes that happened, like in 1929, the Wall Street crash. And then, it went all the way up in 82, and then it crashed all the way down. And yeah, it's a lot of stuff that's happening. They said in 08, there was a financial crisis going on, and then it caused the market to crash. And right now, we are a little bit past that. We are trending up a little bit more, obviously. So they're just waiting for that to, kind of crash. Like the everything that people, all of the assets people own, basically. The U.S. federal funds. So, yeah. So, I guess it's like a little trend that, is happening. I guess it does this every few decades or every decade or whatever. But obviously, people are saying that it's due for a crash. So, we must at least pay attention to the warning signs or whatever. So, let me see what else we have. It's just random charts of things. Okay. So this chart is I'm just pulling up a chart just to see what they're talking about, whatever. Because it's normal for the market to crash. But they're saying that it's like a big bubble. Okay. History of bubbles. Right? So 1600s, there was a bubble, tulip bubble, going all the way down to 2020, which was the Bitcoin. Obviously with COVID. New era, 1929. And every few decades, I believe it looks like, but I don't think the 2020 was a real big pop. It went down, the stocks went down some, but we are entering a new phase of everything. We're starting a metaverse. It's a lot of stuff that's going on with everything right now. So, Everything is really hyped. Everything is really, really hyped right now. We had the .com stock bubble, which was in 1990, in between. So basically the 2000s, I guess, the .com bubble when the internet came out. Well, not came out, but like, yeah, basically came out in between 1996 and 2001. And then the real estate bubbles, stocks and bonds, all that stuff. So obviously there has been a lot of bubbles in the history of bubbles. But prepare for another bubble, I guess you can say, because that's what a lot of people are talking about. And I do believe that things are going to crash just because everything is hyped right now. Like I said, we have a lot of things going on in the world. Metaverse is happening. Facebook changed its name. It's a lot of stuff. A lot of people are investing. A lot of crypto projects are coming out. A lot of different stocks are coming out. Just everything is blowing up. So expect a pop, expect a crash, expect a correction when it comes to your, I don't want to say your assets, but when it comes to the exchange. Obviously, we know that the projects and the companies that we invested in is very valuable. However, it is inflated and it has to level out itself and correct itself just because that's how history works. So, my prediction is that this global crypto market is going to go down to maybe 1.88 trillion if it does a hard crash. If it does a soft crash, it may go down to like 199, 198. If that. It may just stay at 209. But this is just over the day. Let's see anything else we have. Yeah, as you all can see, like everything's like going down. Like literally a droop in everything. A big droop. Even the ones that we love the most, like Shiba and Crow. So yeah, we do have some going up. I don't know why this is going up. Actually, I know somebody talked about this when I did that Simpsons video about XPR, not XRP, XPR, and Cosmos has the same type of logo, and it was found on Simpsons when I did that prediction. Simpsons predicted cryptocurrencies of the future, and Cosmos was on there. Well, actually, XPR was on there, but people are saying that it's actually Atom or Cosmos. But it looks like this is kind of not doing so bad. Let me look at the overall chart. Yeah, right now, it's not doing as bad as the other cryptocurrencies. Okay. I just wanted to kind of touch on that. But yeah, so be prepared. Make sure you got your nano ledger. If you have a ledger, make sure that you have a cold wallet, hard wallet. If you want to get your coins off of the exchange, you can. I do have a nano ledger, and I am planning on actually transferring my most valuable coins over to my ledger during this period of time. And also, you never know, exchanges get hacked all the time. Bitmart exchange got hacked before. you never know. So you want to make sure that when everything is like crashed, that you're not messed up or not in a bad place. So I am definitely going to transfer my coins over to my Nano Ledger, and I am going to protect my assets because that is the right thing to do. All right. So that is how I'm preparing for the everything bubble and things of that sort. Let me know what you all think about the everything bubble, or how far do you all think the cryptocurrency market and the stock market is going to go down. Let me know what you all think about this crash, or if it even is going to be a crash. Any predictions, prices, and things like that. Okay. So thank you all for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Love you all, and have a wonderful day.